Good day, and welcome to my channel. Tonight I think I'm going to do some coding. Try to set up, I'm going to create a portfolio website using Github to host it, and then using Netlify. I've heard this is a good way to do it. It's free. So I'm going to try this. I'm just going to come along for the ride. I bought my domain from Namecheap. So we'll see how this goes. You're going to learn with me. I'm just going to record it, screen grab it, so I don't blank out anything that I don't want you to see. Alright. Here goes. So I've got a directory set up on my local. I'm going to create a new Git repository from this. One cool thing, if you've never seen this, you can go to Gitignore.io and you can create a Gitignore based off of your project. So, who knows? I think that's it for now. So, it gives you this. Just gonna copy everything. I always forget this step. I want to do a README. So I'm going to do Alright. I always forget how to do a Git init, so I'm going to Google it. You're learning how to do this while I'm doing it. Okay. I just always have to ask. Okay. Oh, okay. So I still need to go to GitHub to do this. I heard you're supposed to do public, but I don't like people seeing all my stuff, so I'm not going to do it. Oh, see, I could have just read all this, would have told me what I needed to do. Alright. So we do git add. git push it? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. Git push dash u origin main. Perfect. Source refs back main does not. Oh, I didn't do. Alright. So I think this is here. So if I go refresh, we can see all my stuff. All my junk. Close to tabs. Yeah. So now if I go back to code, there you are. Alright, so that was the first step. Now we're going to do know who this is, but I'm going to take their word for it. Alright, so let's create an account. This is a good font choice. I've seen this on Magnolia website also. Not sure what it's called. Sign up. Okay, we're going to use my GitHub account. Free HTTPS. You never have to leave the terminal. Well, that's nice. Alright, new site from... Oh, maybe I can go back to it. Alright, well, let's do this. Okay, new site from Git. Boom! Okay. Okay, we picked my portfolio website. Okay. Install. Okay. Didn't I just do all that? Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay, private. Basic building. If you're using a static site generator or build tool, we'll need the settings to build your site. I don't think I'm going to. I don't know. I haven't really decided. Alright. Just see what happens. Site deploy in progress. I think what I'm going to do, real quick, is just put in an index.html file. Let's do test. This is the home for something to come. Okay. Oh, I didn't do a commit. Okay. Huh. Okay, did that. You can ignore the advanced settings. Go ahead and say deploy. Click domain settings in the domain management section. Click on add custom domain. Manage custom domain name. As an example, I've added testing. Add custom domain name and add your custom name. Okay. Domain settings. Okay, add the domain to Netlify. Set up Netlify database. Finally hit your domain footer in my case. Update the default name servers with the following. Okay. Go to Namecheap now. Learning stuff. Oh, custom DNS. Okay. Don't know enough about DNS related stuff. Alright. Alright. So, hopefully not. Log in your domain for changes if you want. Done. Okay, we can have provision. Hey guys, this is the next day. As you saw at the end there, I was having some issues with the SSL cert side of things, so I just didn't have the patience, and then I messed around with it, and then at some point it just started working. So just have some patience with it. It took mine 10-15 minutes maybe before it got to going, so just go get a coffee or something while you're waiting. Um, But yeah, so if you have any questions, feel free to like chat in the comments below. If you're getting stuck anywhere, I can try to help you. I had to go look for some help. I use Namecheap um, as my hosting, my DNS registrar. So it's a little bit different for everybody. That article that I'm going to share in the bio, or not in the bio, but in the description of this video, is he actually used a different tool called, or a different registrar. What was it? He used Hostinger. So yeah, so maybe that'll help you guys. I'm sure there's articles or blogs out there about GoDaddy, etc. So yeah, so God bless, guys. I guess that's it for this video. I'll talk to you next time.